And in this video I would like to go on with past tenses, one of which is past simple and the other is past continuous. So if we talk about past simple, the actions that finished in the past, that is completed in the past, we use past simple for. This is what we use past simple for. And if we compare past simple with past continuous, past simple is called shorter action in the past, past continuous is called longer action in the past. And let's look at the form of past simple. There are two types of verbs that we need to keep in mind while we are talking about past simple, one of which is irregular verbs, the other is regular verbs. Okay, regarding the positive sentences in past simple, we use regular verb forms with ed at the end, attached ed at the end, only when it is positive sentence. If we are talking about irregular verbs, we are using the second form, which is simple past form in irregular verbs list. Just pay attention, this part is important. We use second form of the verbs or ed forms of the verbs only when if it is a positive sentence. Okay, and when it comes to negative, you use didn't plus base form of the verb, which is in this example have. You didn't have. Okay, and with questions we use again did, subject and base form of the verb, and depending on the situation, you can start the question with a WH question word. And if we go on with past continuous, which is the longer action in the past compared to past simple, so we use it for the actions that started in the past, continued for a while, and stopped and finished. The actions that started at a point in the past, that continued for a while, and finished in the past. This is what we call past continuous. And simply, we use the past verb to be forms with past continuous followed by verb ing forms, like was plus verb ing, were plus verb ing. As in the example, everybody in the audience was looking at me. Okay, and in the second example, I wasn't panicking, and if it was, let's say, the subject pronoun they, it was supposed to be used were plus verb ing, which is they weren't panicking. And questions, we start with verb to be in the past, which is was, were. Depending on the subject pronoun, you are using, just locate it here, before verb ing. So the sentence order for the question should be was, were plus subject plus verb ing. And that's it for the past tenses here in this point.